Welcome students, we are here for Volt prize distribution. What is Volt? Volt is Vedantu Olympiad Litmus Test. एक ऐसा टेस्ट जिसने आप सबको मौका दिया ओलंपियाड प्रिपरेशन करने का VOS के साथ, यानी कि वेदांतु ओलंपियाड स्कूल के साथ. Well, I will try to move on to the flashback जब Volt शुरू हुआ. So last year in the month of January, Volt was conducted and you all were nominated by your schools. Actually, there were two modes through which a student was allowed to participate in Volt. The first mode was that is nomination by a school. तो स्कूल ने बहुत सारे बच्चों के names nominate किए that they should be sitting for this Volt examination and then they should prepare with VOS to bring gold for India. So that was the motive of Vedantu Olympiad School. We were preparing students totally free of cost because we were interested कि students किसी दिन इंडिया के लिए गोल्ड मेडल लेके आए across international Olympiads. So that is still our aim and will be our aim. Now moving ahead, the second mode of entering into the Volt examination was through the website. So you were supposed to upload your credentials, and if you have got strong credentials, we feel that you would be in position to participate well in Volt, then you were allowed to take part in the Volt. So in the similar manner, Volt continued, and every Sunday it was happening from 26th of January. But somehow, because of Corona thing, many schools were unable to participate in this particular event, and the event got closed, I guess, in the month of February only, or maybe in the mid of the March, right? Because of this Corona and the lockdown thing. But still, as per the number of participants in respective classes, we thought of declaring the result and we thought of distributing the prizes as per our commitment, right? So that whosoever has participated should get that encouragement in the form of a prize. Not only that, I guess in the month of April, we had launched batches also in which you all were enrolled for the preparation of various Olympiads, and ultimately many of you have already achieved many good things in various Olympiads, ranging from school Olympiads to NSCJS to international Olympiads and national Olympiads, right? So today we are here with the Volt prize distribution ceremony in which you shall be getting your prize in the form of Amazon coupons and some goodies. So I am starting with the prize distribution ceremony. Here we are moving on to the first candidate lined up for receiving the prize. So a big round of applause for Kshitij. Kshitij is from city Narnaul, state Haryana, and his Volt rank is 3. Hello Kshitij, how are you? All set for Volt prize distribution ceremony?
Yes sir.
Okay, तो अभी आप किन एग्जाम्स को टारगेट कर रहे हैं?
Sir, NTSC, sir, and Olympiad.
Okay, fine. Kshitij, congratulations once again. आपने Volt में बहुत अच्छा किया, and for this team you are getting a prize and we are sending you the email of your coupons. I request you to check the same और मुझे बताइए कि आपको email मिल गया या नहीं मिल गया.
Yes sir, I have got the message.
You got the email? चलिए, congratulations Kshitij, very well done. We wish कि आप आगे भी बहुत बच्चे एग्जाम्स में बहुत अच्छा करें, ओलंपियाड्स क्रैक करें, NTSC क्रैक करें, और जब भी आपको किसी भी स्टेप पे किसी भी की जरूरत हो एकेडमिकली, you can always approach Vedantu team, Vedantu Olympiad School team, and we are here to help you out for that particular exam. अच्छा, ये बताओ कितना प्राइस मिला आपको? How much Amazon coupons have you got?
5 coupons of 5,000. Total
ठीक.
25.
5 coupons. Okay. आपका प्राइस क्या था? How much was your price?
Sir, 25,000 rupees.
25,000 का क्या करने वाले हो ये बताओ?
Sir, अभी तो टैब लाऊंगा.
Okay, fine, good. चलिए Kshitij, it was really good to talk to you. मजा आया आपसे बात करके बच्चे, and God bless you. बहुत अच्छा करो पढ़ाई में आप, and we are here to help you out. चलिए, so we are heading on to the next child, and the next kid is Sakshi. She is again from Haryana, Bhiwani. So Sakshi, you are all set to receive your prize for Volt?
Yes sir.
Okay बेटा, आपका कितना प्राइस है? Do you know the amount? How much amount you are going to get?
Sir, 11,000.
11,000. So congratulations for winning 11,000. And what is your current academic target? What are you targeting?
Sir, NTSC and PRMO.
Okay, NTSC and pre-RMO. And I wish you all the best for your upcoming academic challenges. And VOS team is here to help you out in cracking all those things, right? And आपने stream कौन सा opt करना है 10th के बाद? Medical, non-medical और commerce?
Sir, non-medical.
Non-medical. So what are you targeting?
Yes,
You
sir.
a computer engineer?
No sir, I have to go for Air Force officer.
Oh my God. So we are currently talking to a budding Air Force officer, right? So that's awesome.
Yes sir.
मजा आया सुन के, मजा आया बात करके. बच्चे प्लीज चेक, वी हैव जस्ट emailed you the coupons. Kindly confirm, have you received the email for the same?
Yes, sir. I've got the email.
Okay. आपने कोई gadget भी win किया है? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Tab.
And congratulations once again. God bless you, Sakshi. बहुत अच्छा करते रहिए आगे भी सभी एग्जाम्स में. And VOS team is there to help you out in your academic target. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
So students, we are heading on to the third student who is lined up for prize distribution ceremony, and he is Arav Gupta from Noida, Uttar Pradesh. So we welcome Arav Gupta. Arav, so you are all set for receiving your prize?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you are from which school?
I am from Kothari International School in Noida.
Okay, and Arav, आपका ambition क्या है? What would you like to be in future? 10th के बाद क्या opt करेंगे और क्या बनेंगे?
Sir, after 10th I will go for MIT, and when I grow up I want to become a maths professor at MIT.
Oh my God! So we have got a budding professor sitting in front of us. Awesome, Arav. मजा आया, बहुत मजा आया सुन के. Once again for receiving gold prize, and I can see you have already got lot many achievements in hand, and I wish you all the best for your future academic targets. Kindly confirm, have you received email of Amazon coupons?
Yeah, I'll just check that.
Yes, please check.
Yes, I received that.
Okay. Have you won any gadget?
Yeah, I guess I
Which gadget?
have won the tablet.
Okay, so you will be getting your tablet soon, and it was really good to talk to you. Yes, बेटा बहुत अच्छा करो आगे future में. VOS team is here to help you out, for blessing you or for guiding you for all your academic targets.
Thank you.
Arav. Okay, so next we have Ashika. She is from Dehradun, Uttarakhand. Welcome Ashika. Welcome to Volt Prize Distribution Ceremony. So let's start with the ceremony. Kindly let me know you are from which school?
The Oberoi School of Integrated Studies.
Okay, congratulations Ashika. You have won Gold Prize and we are going to transfer the same. But उससे पहले I would like to know what are your hobbies and interests?
My hobbies are reading and art and crafts.
Okay, subject, any favorite subject?
Maths.
Okay, fine. We are transferring your amount of Gold Prize. Kindly confirm. Have you received the email?
Yes.
Okay, you have received. Fine. So Ashika, are you studying anything with VOS, Vedanta Olympiad School? Because all Gold Prize winners were allowed to be a part of VOS family, Vedanta Olympiad School family. So are you studying anything with Vedanta Olympiad School?
Right now I just involved in the coding class.
Okay, good to know that Ashika, and good to talk to you. God bless you. VOS team is there to help you out for all your academic targets. And thank you very much. And God bless you. Keep scoring like that. And we are heading on to the next candidate. Thank you, Ashika. And the next student is Ujwaldeep Kaur from Ludhiana, Punjab.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. So tell me, Ujwaldeep, you are in which class currently?
I am in 8th.
You are in 8th class. Which school?
KV number 1 AFS.
Okay, great to know that. And what are your hobbies?
My hobbies are painting.
Okay, and any favorite subject?
My favorite subject is science.
Do you know how much money you are going to get via Amazon coupons?
11,000.
Okay, and any gadget?
Yeah, a tab.
Fine. So we are transferring the Amazon coupons to your account. Kindly confirm, have you received the email?
Yes.
Okay. Good to talk to you, and I congratulate you once again. We are here, VOS is here to help you out in all your academic targets, and God bless you.
Thank you.
So we are heading on to our next candidate for prize distribution ceremony, and he seems to be a very bubbly boy, and he is Keshav Sharma from New Delhi. Okay, Keshav. Keshav, you are from New Delhi, and you are in class 8. You are from which school, bacha?
Sir, I am from Leelavati Vidya Mandir School.
Oh, that's a very famous school. Good to know that, right? Okay. And your hobbies and interests?
Sir, one of my greatest hobbies is playing chess. I am just in love with chess.
Oh, great. Then I challenge you. Someday I would be playing with you for sure. That's my favorite.
Sure, sir.
Okay. And are you preparing anything with Vedanta Olympiad School currently?
Yes, sir. I am in a couple of courses that was offered by Vedantu, like NTSC Foundation and all.
Very good. Very good. That's really very good. And if you are good in chess, I believe then you must be good in mathematics also, right?
Yes, sir.
Mental ability too, right? Keshav, we are transferring the amount via email. Kindly confirm, have you received the email?
Yes, sir. I have received it.
Okay, it is really good to talk to you. We feel that you would be doing such wonderful achievements on board in future also, and we are here to help you out at every step. And it was really good to talk to you.
Thank you, sir.
We are heading on to our next Gold Prize winner, and his name is Pulkit Malik. Pulkit Malik from Bathinda, Punjab. And he was Gold Rank 1. That means he has won an awesome prize.
Yes, sir.
चलिए अपना थोड़ा सा अपने बारे में बताइए. You are currently in 9th class.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you are in which school?
Sir, Silver Oaks.
Silver Oaks. That's a very famous school of Bathinda, right? So great to know that. And which is your favorite subject?
Sir, maths and physics.
Maths and physics. And how was Volt? आप Volt में रैंक 1 लेके आए. Volt कैसा था? आसान था, मुश्किल था? How was Volt?
Sir, it was, sir, quite difficult, sir, but I knew some of the concepts and I tried my best.
Okay, yes, that I totally believe. तभी आपका rank 1 आया है. So you have done awesome in the exam, Pulkit. Please tell me, are you targeting any particular exam in 9th class or in 10th class?
Yes, sir, like NSCGS, NTSC, TRMO and SOF Olympiads.
Okay, so you are preparing all these with Vedantu Olympiad School?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great to know that, Pulkit. It's really very awesome. One more thing I would like to know. आप बड़े होके क्या बनना चाहते हैं?
Sir, after 10th, sir, I will opt, sir, non-medical.
Okay.
Sir, and my goal is to, sir, crack JEE.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
you want to be an engineer?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we are transferring your amount via email. Kindly confirm, have you received the email?
Yes, sir, I have received.
Okay, so how much price have you won?
Sir, 75,000.
75,000. That's a very big amount. कैसे shopping करनी है बच्चा? मुझे फटाफट बताओ.
Sir, shoes लेने हैं, AC लेना है.
अरे वाह वाह, मतलब लिस्ट बन रखी है कि क्या क्या शॉपिंग होने वाली है Amazon के ऊपर. That's good to know, and I congratulate you once again to your whole family also that you have done really remarkably well in Volt examination. So you have won a gadget also. कौन सा gadget है बच्चे? Do you know that?
Sir, yes, laptop.
Laptop. So you would be getting a laptop, and congratulations once again, and to your parents also. You are a wonderful kid, and we are here to help you out for all your academic targets. Right, whatever you would be targeting in future, VOS and Vedantu is here to help you out. Thank you once again.
Thank you.
चलिए, we are heading on to next candidate, and he is Ramit Goyal, class 9th, City Karnal from Haryana, and he is Volt rank 2. Okay, hello Ramit, are you all set for prize distribution ceremony?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you are all set. So we are also set. So you are from Haryana, Karnal. Kindly let me know you are from which school, Ramit?
There I am currently studying in OPS Vidyamandir.
Okay, very good. And what all examinations you are targeting, bache, right now?
Sir, NSCGS, NTSC and TRMO.
Okay, and are you preparing all these with Vedantu Olympiad School?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's really great to know. So you have won a second prize. How was Volt examination?
Sir, it was a quite tricky, but I managed to solve most of the questions in the exam as I knew the concepts.
Okay, and other than Volt examination, have you got any academic achievements to share?
Yes, sir, I've shared a lot of them in the Google form.
Okay, there's a big collage of your achievements. Awesome, Ramit. Congratulations once
Thank
again.
you, sir.
Achievements. And I assure you कि आप जो भी टारगेट कर रहे हैं academically, VOS team is there to help you out in that. आपको किसी भी तरीके की help चाहिए हो तो you can always approach us for the same. It was really wonderful talking to you and God bless you. आप ऐसे ही अचीव करते रहिए, बहुत सारे प्राइज जीतिए, राइट? और वोल्ट आगे फ्यूचर में दोबारा आएगा, जरूर पार्टिसिपेट करना, फिर से प्राइज जीतना. अभी के लिए transferring your amount via email. Kindly let me know, have you received the Amazon coupons?
Yes, sir, I have received it.
Okay, तो मुझे बताइए आपने क्या गैजेट विन किया है?
Sir, a laptop.
A laptop. Very good. So congratulations for a laptop too. We shall be dispatching the same, and it was really nice talking to you, Ramit.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. So there is one more chap lined up, and his name is Rohit Sharma, and he is from class 9th, Volt rank 5 from City Hansi State, Haryana. So Rohit, मुझे बताइए, you are studying in which particular school?
RPS Public School Hansi.
अरे वाह, very good. That's a prestigious school. And all examinations are you targeting?
NSC, GSC, PRM and NTSC.
Okay, and are you preparing all these with Vedantu Olympiad School?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Rohit, Volt कैसा था?
Sir, it is medium because I practice lot of question.
अरे वाह वाह, very good. That's good to know that. चलो, किसी ने तो Volt को आसान बोला, right? Otherwise, everyone was saying Volt was a difficult examination. Good to know that. And which is your favorite subject, बच्चे?
Mathematics and physics.
And we are now transferring your amount. How much amount have you won in Volt?
11,000.
11,000. So we are transferring the coupons. Kindly confirm. Have you received the email?
Sir, got it.
Okay. So Rohit, have you received the amount?
Yes, sir.
तो क्या program है? How are you going to shop?
Sir, I bought Pearson's Foundation, IT Foundation books.
Okay, so you plan to purchase books. That's really very awesome. Congratulations once again, बच्चे, and we are here to help you out at every step. कोई भी आपका academic target हो, VOS team आपके साथ है.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. The next is Ananya Goyal. So Ananya is from class 9th, Volt rank 6, City Hisar, State Haryana. So Ananya, you are in 9th class. You are from City Hisar, Haryana. Kindly let me know you are in which school?
OP Jindal Modern School.
Okay, great to know that. And Ananya, any favorite subject?
The maths and physics.
मैथ्स एंड फिजिक्स, अरे भाई आज तो सारे बच्चे के दीवाने हैं यहाँ पे. बट मुझे एक चीज बताइए, हाउ वाज बोल्ट फॉर यू?
It was a bit tricky and basically based on concepts.
Okay. And Ananya, are you targeting any particular Olympiad or any exam in 9th class?
So pre-RMO, NSCGS and NTSC.
Okay. And are you preparing all these with Vedanta Olympiad School?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great to know that. I wish you all the best for all your future targets. Ananya, what is your prize money?
So 11,000.
11,000. So we are transferring 11,000 in the form of Amazon coupons. Kindly confirm, have you received the email? And I can see there are a lot of achievements to showcase which you have already shared and which are there on the slide. Congratulations once again for all these achievements. And please confirm, have you received the email of Amazon coupons? And in future also we shall be helping you for preparing all your academic examination targets. Chaliye, let's move on to the next one. Is Mudil Goel. He is from class 10th currently, City Panchkula, State Haryana.
Yes.
Hi Mudil, how are you?
Fine, sir.
How was Bolt for you?
Sir, it was good. Like its level, I appreciate its level, and it gave a good experience to us.
Great, great. Congratulations. I can see a lot many achievements are there which you have submitted. So awesome. You are on your focused path. I'm sure you would be doing well in your academics in future also. Mudil, I would like to know one thing. What are you learning at Vedanta Olympiad School? Means you are enrolled in which all batches at Vedanta Olympiad School?
Sir, last year I was targeting NSCGS and PRMO, so I was enrolled in those two batches. And this year, I am enrolled in RMO batch and foundation batch.
Fine, Mudil, it was great talking to you, right? And we are sending you an email containing your prize. Please check and confirm. Have you received the email?
Yes, sir, I got the email.
Okay, great. So congratulations, Mudil. Once again, do really well in your academics, and Vedanta and Vedanta Olympiad School is there to help you out in all your academic targets, and we wish you all the best. It was really nice talking.
Thank you, sir.
Students, we are heading on to the second candidate for the day, and his name is Vivek Kumar. He is also in 10th class. Volt rank is 9th. Hi Vivek, how are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
I am fine too. How was Volt for you?
The world was really nice for me, sir. It was touched in with my preparation.
Okay, great. Chaliye Vivek, let's move on to the ceremony part. We will be sending you one email, but before that, kindly let me know anything special you would like to discuss about yourself, which you feel you should share with the audience.
Sir, actually, sir, I like the Vedanta platform really much, and I consider it to everyone to use it one time.
Okay, fine. And my last question is, at Vedanta, you are enrolled in which all batches, Vivek?
Sir, PRMO and NTSC.
Okay. So we wish you all the best for the same, and Vedanta Olympiad School is there to help you out for the same. Now, we are sending you an email. Kindly check and confirm, have you received the email containing Amazon coupons?
Yes, sir, I received it.
Next student is Pratham Garg. He is currently in +1 and rank 6. He is from city Mohali, Punjab. So hello Pratham.
Hello sir.
How are you?
Fine sir.
Which is your favorite subject?
Mathematics.
Oh, and at VOS you are enrolled in which all batches?
Sir, in NSCP batch, and last year I was enrolled in pre-RMO batch.
Okay. Chalo, bache, good to talk to you, Pratham. We are heading on to sending you an email, right, with the Amazon coupons. So please confirm, have you received the email?
Yes, I received the mail.
Okay, so congratulations once again, Pratham. And I assure you that VOS and Vedanta Olympiad School is there for supporting you in all your academic targets. Chaliye, so next we have got Arnav Saini. We are heading on to Arnav Saini, and he is from class 10th, Volt rank 8, City Kharkoda and State Haryana. So Arnav, hi, how are you?
I'm good, sir.
So Arnav, how was Bolt for you?
It was great.
Arnav, you are enrolled in which all batches at Vedanta Olympiad School?
Foundation batch and NTSC batch.
Okay, great. So Arnav, good to talk to you. We are sending you an email containing your prize coupons. Kindly confirm, have you received the email?
Yes, I received it.
Okay, so congratulations Arnav, and it was good talking to you. So next we have Vishwas Medha. He is from class 10, Volt rank 6, City Sirsa and State Haryana. Hello Vishwas, how are you?
Fine. How are you, sir?
I am fine too. And Bache, how was Bolt for you?
It was a great experience. The questions were very good level, so it helped me in improving my studies.
Okay, great. And which is your favorite subject?
My favorite subjects are maths and chemistry, and I also like biology.
Okay, great to know that. And you are enrolled in which all batches at VOS?
I'm enrolled in foundation batch.
Okay, great. And I assure you that VOS and Vedanta is there to support you for all your academic targets. So let's move on to the prize thing. We are sending you an email containing Amazon coupons. Please check and confirm कि आपको मिल गए.
Yes, sir. I've gotten it.
So it was really good to talk to you, Vishwas. All the best and keep on learning.
Thank you, sir.
So next we have with us Kshitij Gupta. Hello Kshitij, how are you?
I'm fine, sir. How are you?
I am fine too. So you are from 10th class and you are Volt ranked 5. You are from city Amritsar. You have scored ranked 5. Kshitij, how was Volt for you?
Sir, it was a great experience.
Okay, and what is your future target? You would be targeting JEE or NEET?
The JEE.
Oh, great. And Kshitij, at VUS you are enrolled in which all batches?
The foundation and NTSC batch.
Okay. So now Kshitij, we are sending you an email containing your prize, that is Amazon coupons. Hello Kshitij, have you received the email?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so congratulations once again. We assure you that Vedantu and Vedantu Olympiad School is there to help you out in all your academic targets. All the best, Kshitij. It was really great talking to you.
Thank you, sir.
Chaliye, let's move on to the next one. Fine. So next we have got the Siddharth Walson. He is currently in class 9th. He is from Kochi, State Kerala, and Volt rank 3.
Hi, sir.
Hi Siddharth, how are you?
I'm fine, sir. How are you?
I am fine too. So you seem to be a very energetic and a bubbly kid. So good to see that. चलिए बताइए बच्चे. How was Volt for you?
So Volt was an exam I actually attempted out as a random by just googling free online exams, and then I'm surprised by the amount of impact it made in my life. So I feel like Volt was an exam which actually changed my life over the past 2 years.
Okay. So you are studying which of batches at VUS?
I was enrolled in NSCS, INGSO, PRMO, RMO batches last year. This year I'm enrolled in NTSC batch, Foundation batch, and PRMO, RMO batch.
Okay. Sure, Siddharth. It was really good talking to you. We wish you all the we are heading on with the email thing. So we are sending you an email containing Amazon coupons. Kindly check and confirm. Have you received the same?
Yes, sir. I have received the email.
Okay. So you can see, Siddharth, lot many achievements are there. Right, IOQJS is there and Teachers Association का IOQM का भी certificate नजर आ रहा है. So you have done really very well in past 1 year. We wish you all the best for all your future targeted examination. And आप ऐसे ही अच्छा करते रहिए और बहुत सारे prizes जीतते रहिए. Right?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Siddharth. चलिए, let's move on to the next one. And he is Visheshjeet Rohela. He is currently in class 11th from Rohtak, Haryana. Hello, Vishwajit. How are you? Hi, Visheshjeet. How are you?
I'm fine, sir. How about you?
I am fine too. So, bache, you are in 11th class. You are pursuing JEE or NEET?
NEET, sir.
NEET. Okay, so you are a medical student. Which is your strength area? Physics, chemistry, or biology?
Biology.
Okay, great. And how was Volt for you?
Sir, it was a very nice experience.
Okay, fine. And at Vedantu or Vedantu Olympiad School, you are enrolled in which all batches?
Sir, I'm enrolled in Target AIMS.
Okay, chaliye. We wish you all the best, bache, and we are sending you an email containing the Amazon coupons of your price. Kindly can confirm. Have you received the same?
Yes, sir. I have received the mail.
Okay, congratulations once again, Vishesh.
Thank you, sir.
Chaliye, let's move on to the next one. So he is Abhinav Bansal, grade 10th, city Agra and Uttar Pradesh, Volt rank 2. Hello, Abhinav.
Hello, sir.
How are you, Abhinav?
Fine, sir. Good, doing great.
So, Abhinav, your favorite subject?
Maths.
Okay, good to know that. And Abhinav, you are enrolled in which all batches at Vedantu?
RMO, INMO, and JEE batches.
Okay. So, Abhinav, we are sending you an email containing the prize money. Do check and kindly confirm. Have you received the email of Amazon coupons?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, Abhinav, congratulations once again. Do well. I assure you, Vedantu and Vedantu Olympiad School is there and will be helping you out in cracking all your academic targets. Right?
Thank you, sir.
And thank you, Abhinav. Chaliye, let's move on to the next one. And he is Vasu Kansal, currently class 10th, Volt rank 1, City Chandigarh. Hello, Vasu. How are you?
I'm fine.
And Vasu, at Vedantu Olympiad School or Vedantu, you are enrolled in which all batches?
Sir, in IOQM and Foundation.
Okay. So, bache, it's really good to talk to you and we wish you all the best for your future targets. We are sending you an email containing your Amazon prize. Please confirm. Have you received the same?
Yes, sir, I have received.
Okay, great. So, Vasu, congratulations once again. It was really nice talking to you and we wish you all the best. We assume कि आप आगे भी बहुत अच्छा करेंगे and जहाँ पे भी आपको help की जरूरत पड़ेगी, Vedantu Olympiad School will give you the support for the same. चलिए, let's move on to the next one. And I welcome Chaitanya Sethi to Volt prize distribution. So, welcome, bache. How are you?
Sir, I'm fine.
Yes. So, Chaitanya is from class 12th currently, and he has got rank 4 in Volt, right? And he is from Patiala. तो अभी चैतन्य मुझे बताइए कि इन पास्ट 1 year, अप्रोक्सीमेटली 1 year बैक आपने वोल्ट दिया था, राइट? पिछले 1 साल में हाउ आर यू एसोसिएटेड विद VUS, वेदांत ओलंपियाड स्कूल पे आप किन किन बैचेस में एनरोल्ड हैं बच्चे और क्या कर रहे हैं अभी?
Sir, actually I did the NTSC course which helped me in
my NTSC stage 2 preparation.
Okay, चलिए अब हम प्राइज डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन की तरफ चल रहे हैं एंड वी आर अबाउट टू सेंड यू एन ईमेल containing your prize in the form of Amazon coupons. Kindly confirm बच्चे आपको ईमेल आ गया, चेक कीजिए.
Yes sir, I received it.
Okay, great. चलो, good to know that Chaitanya, and I know you are a focused student, so you would be doing really well in all your life and you would be achieving all your academic targets. We at Vedantu are here to support you in all your targets and we wish you all the best for your future targets.
Thank you sir.
चलिए, let's move on to the next one. He is Hargun S. Malhotra. He is in class 12th medical, Volt rank 10th. He is from Chandigarh. Okay, welcome Hargun. How are you?
I'm good sir.
So Hargun, you are pursuing medical. Okay, and why you are pursuing medical?
Because I want to become a cardiologist.
Cardiologist. Okay. Have you
Yeah.
got any doctors in your family?
No.
Okay. And currently, out of 3 subjects, which is your strength area and which is your weak area?
Physics, strength and chemistry weak.
Oh, physics, strength and chemistry. And bio is the midway.
Yeah.
Fine. Hargun, how was Bolt for you? Bolt कैसा लगा था आपको?
It was a great experience sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
चलिए, Hargun, we are moving on to the prize distribution ceremony. We are sending you an email containing your coupons. Please
Sure sir.
can confirm whether you have received the email or not.
Sure sir. Yes sir, I have received it.
Okay, so you are enrolled in which all batches?
Eklavya batch. NEET Eklavya batch.
NEET Eklavya batch. Okay,
Yeah.
so under the guidance of Vipul sir and Rohani ma'am.
Ruhani ma'am, yes.
Okay, great. Chalo, good. All the best, Hargun. That's good.
Thank you so much sir. Thank you so much.
Chaliye, let's move on to the next one. Parth, and he is in class 12 non-medical. Volt rank 9th from city Jodhpur and state Rajasthan. Welcome Parth. Welcome to Volt prize distribution ceremony. How are you?
I'm fine sir.
Okay Parth, how was Volt for you?
It was a great experience.
Okay. Now we are sending you an email containing your prize coupons. Please check and confirm the same.
Yes, I got it.
Okay, so you received the email. Congratulations. Chaliye, let's move on to the next one. So she is Kirti Garg, class 12th, medical stream, Volt rank 8th, city Bathinda and state Punjab. Welcome Kirti, welcome to Volt prize distribution ceremony. How are you?
I'm fine, sir. What
Okay,
about
so you are pursuing medical, right?
you? Yes, sir.
How you came to know about this Volt?
So I was told about the competition through my school.
So as far as the medical stream is concerned, which is your strength area and which is your weak area?
So I guess bio would be my strength and chemistry would be my weak area.
Fine, Kirti. If you are looking for any sort of academic support in any of these subjects, do let us know. Our team is there to help you out for the same. We are sending you an email containing your Amazon coupons. Kindly check and confirm. Have you received the same?
Yes, sir. I got the email.
Okay, congratulations, Kirti.
Thank you so much.
Chaliye, let's move on to the next one. Hello Tushash, welcome to Volt prize distribution ceremony. So you are in class 12, rank 8, and you are from city Hisar, state Haryana. So are you enrolled with any of the batches at Vedantu or Vedantu Olympiad School?
Yes sir, I am in Sankalp JE batch A.
Fine. You are learning under the guidance of Vikas Agarwal sir and Surinder sir, right?
Yes sir.
Okay, great. Good to know that. Chaliye, all the best Tushash. Do well, and we are heading on to the prize distribution ceremony, which we are sending you an email containing your Amazon coupons. Kindly check and confirm the same.
Yes sir, I have received.
Okay, so congratulations once again, Tushash. Thank you very much.
Yes sir. Sure.
Next is Divya Suresh. She is in class 12th medical stream. Was ranked 7th from Sirsa again, Haryana. Hello Divya, you welcome to Gold prize distribution ceremony. How are you?
Yes sir, thank you. I'm fine sir.
And Divya, out of 3 strong subject and which is your weakest?
Sir, weakest subject is chemistry and the strongest subject is biology.
Okay, got it. And Divya, we are proceeding on to the ceremony. We are sending you an email containing Amazon coupons. Please check and confirm आपको email आ गया.
Yes sir, I got it.
Okay, congratulations Divya.
Thank you sir.
So next we have got Arihant Gupta. He is from class 12th medical stream, Volt rank 6. He is from Mohali state, Punjab. Hello Arihant, how are you?
I'm good sir.
Okay, Arihant, you are studying in which school?
I'm sir studying in St. Soldiers Mohali.
St. Soldiers Mohali. Okay, and how you came to know about Volt?
Sir, I am a student at Vedantu. Our teachers informed me.
Okay, which batch?
Eklavya batch, NEET Eklavya batch.
Okay, great to know that. So Arihant, currently which is your strength area and which is your weak area in
Sir,
subject?
my strength is physics and weak area is biology.
Okay. So Arihant, how was Bolt for you?
Sir, it was a nice experience and it was a difficult exam. It was nice to give it.
Okay. Chali, we are heading on to the prize distribution ceremony. We are sending you an email containing coupons. Please check and confirm. Have you received the mail?
Yes, sir, I have received.
Okay. So congratulations Arihant and keep up
Thank
doing.
you, sir.
जैसे आपने यहाँ अच्छा किया है, ऐसे ही आगे आप नीट के एग्जाम में भी करें. And we are there to help you out for all your academic goals.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Chali, let's head on to the next one. Next student is Garima Joshi. She is from 12th Medical, Volt Rank 5, City Amritsar, State Punjab. Hello Garima, welcome to Volt Prize Distribution Ceremony. How are you?
Fine, sir.
Okay, so you are pursuing medical, and which is your favorite subject, or which is your strength area and which is your weak area?
Biology and chemistry are my strengths, and I face little bit problems in physics.
Okay. And how you came to know about Volt?
Sir, I got to know about this from my maths teacher.
Okay. Chaliye Divya, we are heading on with the prize distribution ceremony. We are sending you an email containing Amazon coupons. Please check and confirm. Have you received the same?
Yes, sir, I got it.
Okay, congratulations Garima. जैसे आपने गोल्ड में परफॉर्म किया, आप नीट में भी परफॉर्म करें, and we are there to help you out for any of your academic needs. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Next is Sujay D. He is from 12th class medical, Volt rank 4, and he is from City Bangalore only. Okay, Karnataka. Welcome Sujay. How are you?
Fine, sir. How do you do?
I am fine too. मुझे बताइए सुजय, out of 3 subjects in medical, which is
Yes,
your
sir.
and which is your weak area?
Sir, my passion and my interests are in biology and chemistry, sir. I face a little bit fear in physics, sir.
Okay. Targeting AIMS, or are you interested in any other medical college?
Sir, AIMS is my first target, sir. Always.
Okay. And do you think your preparation is as per the requirement of the AIMS?
Yes, sir. I am focusing on it, sir, and I have been a regular Vedanta user too, sir.
Arey wow, great. Good to know that. Chaliye, we are heading on with the prize distribution ceremony. We are sending you an email containing Amazon coupons. So please check and confirm whether you have received the email.
Yes, sir. I have received it, sir.
Okay, congratulations once again, Sujay.
Sir, thank you, sir. Thank you, Vedanta.
Okay, next we have Shakshi Rana, 12th class medical, Volt rank 3 from Budlada, Punjab. Welcome Shakshi, welcome to Volt prize distribution ceremony. How are you?
I'm fine, son. What about you?
I am fine too. So Shakshi, you are studying in which school?
Manu Vatika.
Manu Vatika. It's a very, very famous school. I've been to that school. Filhal ke liye we are heading on to prize distribution. We are sending you an email containing your Amazon coupons. So please check and confirm, have you received the same?
Yes, sir.
Okay, congratulations Shakshi.
Thank
Keep doing well. जैसे आपने बोर्ड में परफॉर्म किया, नीट में भी बच्चे ऐसे ही कीजिए. And अगर आपको कोई हेल्प की जरूरत हो academically, do let us know for this thing. Right? Thank you very much. Okay, next we have Rhythm Sabarwal. She is from grade 12th medical, Volt rank 2, City Ambala, Haryana. Welcome Rhythm. Welcome to prize distribution ceremony of Volt. How are you?
Hello, sir. I'm fine, sir. How are you?
I am fine too. And out of these 3 subjects, that is physics, chemistry, bio, which is your strength area and which is your weak area?
My strength is bio and weak is physics.
Okay. And what are you targeting? AIMS or some other medical college?
AIMS.
AIMS. And how's your preparation for the same?
It's quite fine. Going nice.
Okay, great. Congratulations, Rhythm. So we have an email containing the Amazon coupons of your prize. Please check and confirm.
Yes, sir. I have received.
Okay, congratulations, Rhythm. So next we have Medhansh Biradar, and he is from class 12 medical, Volt rank 1, City Medchal, Telangana. Welcome Medhansh, welcome to Volt prize distribution ceremony. How are you?
I'm fine, sir. Fine.
And Medhansh, how you came to know about Volt?
It was actually through the Vedanta website, I think, sir, online. When I was surfing, I came to know that there was an exam like Volt being conducted, so I was interested and wrote it.
Okay, great. And are you enrolled with any of the batches at Vedantu or Vedantu Olympiad School?
Yes, sir. 1 year medical program, I think I was enrolled at the beginning of last year.
Okay. And out of 3 subjects, which is your strength area and which is your weak area?
I don't think I'll classify them as weak or strong because I think all 3 are equally important, and biology is a bit better than the other 3, and physics a bit weak. I mean, it comes to very difficult questions.
Okay, great to know that. If you need any hand-holding for any subject or any topic, do let us know, right?
Sure, sir. Thank you.
So we are sending you an email containing Amazon coupons. Kindly confirm, have you received the same?
Yes, sir. I have received the email.
Chali, it was good to talk to you, Ranch, and we wish you all the best for your future academic targets.
Thank you, sir.
Chali, let's move on to the next one. We have got Yashvi Singh. She is from class 12th non-medical, Volt rank 4th, and she is from Mohali. Yashvi, we welcome you to Volt prize distribution ceremony. So you are in class 12th non-medical stream, right? You are in which school, bache?
Sir, I'm in Shivalik Public School, Phase 6, Mohali. Sir, I know you. You have been there quite a few times.
Okay. मैं कहने ही वाला था, आपने मेरे मुंह की बात छीन ली कि अगर आप शिवालिक से हैं तो फिर तो आपने मुझे जरूर देखा होगा पहले, because it is my old school also. That is first thing. So we wish you all the best and you do well. As far as your past academic achievements are concerned, Yashvi, anything to mention? कुछ आप बताना चाहें?
Currently, there is nothing, sir. But after the results are out, I would surely like to thank Vedantu because they not only help one in JEE but also CBSE at many points.
Okay, great to know that, Yashvi. And chaliye, we are moving on to the handing over of prize now. We are sending you an email containing your Amazon coupons. Please check your email and confirm whether you have received the coupons or not.
Yes, sir. I have got the email.
Okay, so congratulations once again, Yashvi. In your upcoming targets also, you will be in position to excel. And if in case you need any help from Vedantu or Vedantu Olympiad School for your preparation, then do let us know and keep on rocking like you have done in the board examination. All the best. Chaliye, let's move on to the next one. Tashu Singla, she is again from non-medical stream. Bolt rank 6, City Bhatinda, Punjab. Welcome Tashu, welcome to Bolt prize distribution ceremony. It's good to know that you are pursuing non-medical stream in +2. So, Bache, you are in which school?
Sir, DAV Public School.
So, at Vedantu Olympiad School or at Vedantu, are you learning something? Are you enrolled in any of the batches?
Yes, sir, I have. And that was really awesome.
Okay, Tashu, we are sending you an email containing Amazon coupons. Please check and confirm whether you received the same or not. Chaliye, let's move on to the next one. Hi Abhimanyu, welcome to Bolt prize distribution ceremony. So I can see you are a non-medical student, grade 12, and you have scored rank 3 in Bolt, and you are from City Agra. So my first question to you is, how you came to know about Bolt?
Sir, actually my brother told me about that.
Are you enrolled with any of the batches at Vedantu?
Sir, I'm enrolled in PRMO batch.
Okay. So Abhimanyu, we are sending you an email containing the Amazon coupons. Kindly check and confirm कि आपको email मिल गया.
Yes, sir, got it.
Got it? Chaliye, congratulations, Abhimanyu. All the best for all your future academic targets. Thank you, Abhimanyu.
Yeah.
Okay, so next we have got Shivendu, and he is again from +2 non-medical Bolt rank 1 and City Amravati, Maharashtra. Hello Shivendu, I welcome you to Bolt prize distribution ceremony. I can see you are Bolt rank 1 and you are currently in non-medical +2. So you are targeting JEE?
Yeah, I'm targeting JEE.
Shivendu, any good achievements to mention?
So basically, I got awarded an internship by RFR Foundation for developing a video conferencing app during the pandemic. So like in order to replace Zoom and everything else. So I had that application. After that, I also developed my own email collaboration suite. So by the name of Note My Mail, which I will be making public soon. So it will be launched for the public. And yeah, among other things, I've established online learning platforms for many schools and institutions, like taking inspiration from Vedantu, like how Vedantu works in order to teach all the students everywhere. So I thought even schools could take advantage of it. So I developed a similar system for schools and colleges.
Okay, great to know that, Shivendu. And I know I have interacted with you earlier also, and I know you will be doing great in your life. We wish you all the best from BOS side, Vedantu Olympiad School side and Vedantu side. And if you need any help in your academic targets, we are there to help you out for the same, right? So we are sending you an email containing Amazon coupons. Kindly check and confirm, have you received the same?
Yep, I have.
Oh, all the best, Shivendu, and congratulations once again. Chaliye, let's move on to the next one. Akshit is in 9th class and he is from Panchkula, Haryana. So hi Akshit, how are you feeling today?
Good afternoon, sir. Very proud.
So how was Bolt, Akshit?
Sir, it was nice because in Bolt I was expecting of my level, but it came of very high level.
Okay, good to know that. And tell me, you are enrolled in which all batches? Are you learning anything at BOS, Vedantu Olympiad School?
Sir, I am enrolled in pre-RMO 9th and 10th batch and NTSE Foundation 9th.
Oh, NTSE Foundation. Okay. So Akshit, you have done really very well in Bolt. We are distributing your prize. We are sending you an email. Kindly check your inbox and let me know, have you received the coupons?
Yes, sir.
You received? Chaliye.
Yes, sir.
Congratulations, Akshit, and I wish you all the best. BOS and Vedantu is there to help you out in all your academic preparation and for fulfilling all your academic targets. Thank you, Akshit.
Thank you, sir.
Chaliye, let's move on to the next one. Keshav Rai, and he is in 12th currently, and his Bolt rank is 9. He is from Ludhiana. Hello, Keshav, how are you?
Fine, sir. Good.
Okay, so Keshav, Ludhiana is famous for many schools. You are in which school?
BCM.
BCM RF?
Yeah, BCM RF.
Arey wow, awesome school. I would like to know, how was Bolt for you?
Bolt was a good experience. Questions were very good.
Okay, so let's continue with the prize distribution, Keshav. We are sending you an email containing coupons of your prize. Kindly check and confirm, have you received the email?
Yes, sir. I got an email. Yes.
Okay, so congratulations. And for all your academic targets, BOS team Vedantu is there to help you out if you need any help. All the best for your future endeavors. And let's move on to the next candidate.
Thank you, sir.
Chaliye, let's move on to the next one. Vinayak Sharma, he is from class 9, Bolt rank 8, and he is from Saharanpur, Uttar Pradesh. Welcome to ceremony, Vinayak Sharma. How are you, bache?
Yes, sir. I'm fine, sir. Thank you, sir.
In Saharanpur, studying in which school?
Sir, from Pinewood School.
Pinewood School, that's a famous school as per my knowledge. And what are you learning at VOS? Are you enrolled with any batch at VOS?
Yes, sir. I am currently pursuing for NTSC, grade 9 and 10th foundation, and for NSCJS.
Okay, great. So I wish you all the best for your targeted examination. I guess 9th में तो आप अभी NSCJS देने वाले हैं, right?
Yes, sir.
NSCJS is a tough examination. I wish you all the best for the same कि आप अच्छे से करें. जैसे आपने बोर्ड में परफॉर्म किया ऐसे ही आप NSCJS में भी करें, right? So now we are carrying on with the ceremony. We are sending you an email containing coupons, Amazon coupons of your price. Kindly check and confirm. Have you received the same?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I have received one.
Okay, so and we wish you all the best. VOS team and Vedantu is there to help you out in all your academic targets. कोई भी किसी तरीके की आपको जरूरत हो academically, do let us know. And congratulations once again.
Thank you, sir.
Chaliye, so let's move on to the next candidate now. Okay, so next we have got Agrima Goyal from 9th class. She's Bolt rank 7 from Bathinda and State Punjab. Hello Agrima, how are you?
So fine.
Okay. So how was Bolt for you, Agrima?
Sir, it was good experience. For me, it was first big exam, so I liked a lot. Questions were very good.
Okay. So Agrima, आप Bathinda में किस स्कूल में हैं बच्चे?
Sir, Silver Oaks.
Silver Oaks. Okay, great. And which is your favorite subject?
Chemistry.
Chemistry. Okay. So Agrima, are you enrolled with any of the batches at Vedantu Olympiad School?
So yes, sir, NTSC Foundation 9th.
Okay. So Agrima, let's move on to the prize distribution ceremony now. We have just sent you an email.
Sir, I've got it.
Okay, so you have received. Congratulations and all the best. Vedantu and Vedantu Olympiad School is there to help you out in all your academic targets. Chali, let's move on to the next one now. So next we have got Gitanshu Arora and he is from 12th class, Bolt rank 7th, City Karnal and State Haryana. So welcome Gitanshu, welcome to prize distribution ceremony of Bolt. So you are in 12th class, what are you pursuing? Means JEE or NEET?
JEE.
And how's your preparation going on?
It is going good.
Good. And your favorite subject?
Physics.
Okay. And you are from which school?
Sir, I am in the Vivekanand School, Delhi.
Okay. So Gitanshu, मुझे थोड़ा सा बताइए, how was Bolt for you?
Sir, it was a great experience. The questions were really good. They were application based.
Okay. So chaliye, good to talk to you, Gitanshu. We are heading on with the prize distribution. So we are sending you an email containing Amazon coupons, bache. So kindly check. Have you received the same?
Yeah, I received.
Okay. So congratulations once again, Gitanshu. Before you leave, what are you learning at VOS Vedantu Olympiad School batch?
So I'm enrolled in the JEE batch.
Okay. Fine. So once again, I wish you all the best. अगर आपको कोई भी किसी भी academic help की जरूरत हो, तो do let us know. Vedantu and Vedantu Olympiad School is there to help you out in that. Thank you very much. Okay, let's head on to the next student lined up for the Bolt prize distribution ceremony. And now we have got Prateek Das from class 12th, Bolt rank 6, City Mohali, State Punjab.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Prateek. So Prateek, kindly let me know how was Bolt for you?
Bolt was a great experience. It had challenging questions also, and it was overall nice to give it.
Which is your favorite subject?
Maths.
Maths, okay. And let's head on to the ceremony. That is, we are sending you an email containing Amazon coupons of your price. Kindly check and confirm.
Yes, sir. I've got it.
Okay, so Prateek, congratulations once again. And at VUS, you are enrolled in which all batches, bache?
I'm enrolled in JEE Sankalp Elite A, also KVPY, NSCP and NSCC.
Okay. So good to know that, Prateek, and once again, congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Chaliye, let's move on to the next candidate now. So next we have Arpit Narang, grade 12th, and he is from Zirakpur, Punjab, Bolt rank 3. Hello Arpit, are you there?
Hi sir.
कैसा चल रहा है बच्चे अभी? How's your preparation going on?
Sir, it's going fine.
Okay. And how was Bolt for you?
It was definitely unexpected, sir. There were a few questions which I had no knowledge about, and because I was still in 10th grade, so I did not have any idea about what these things in +1 and +2 mean. But I solved the questions which I knew to my maximum potential.
Okay, great. And any achievements means anything which you have achieved in past 1.5 year or so?
I recently cleared KVPY exam, And although being focused for medical need, I cleared PRMO.
Oh, awesome. That's good to know, Arpit. And currently, which is your favorite subject?
Bio only, sir.
Okay. And you are enrolled in which all batches in VOS?
Sir, I am in a Grade 12 NEET full syllabus batch under the guidance of Ruhani ma'am.
Okay. Chalo. All the best, and I hope you are preparing well, and you will be bringing laurels to Vedantu also and to your family members also. Right?
I'll try my best.
Confirm kijiye. Have you received the email for your prize coupons?
Yes, sir. I have received them, sir.
Okay. So congratulations once again, Arpit, and I wish you all the best for all your future targets.
Thank you, sir.
Chaliye, let's move on to the next one. And she is Ragvi from class 12th, Volt Rank 2, City Ludhiana, State Punjab. Hello Ragvi, how are you?
I'm good.
And Ragvi, how was Volt for you?
So it was a really nice experience. Volt included many intellectual questions, the questions which we had to think on the spot, besides the usual cramming stuff.
Okay. So Ragvi, you are a medical student. So please let me know that out of 3 subjects, which is your favorite subject?
I like physics more.
You like physics now? Okay. Good to know that, Ragvi. And now I wish you all the best. आपके सारे academic targets के लिए आपने आगे aims target करना है बच्चे. So do well in that. Right, अपना पेपर अच्छे से कीजिए. Let's move ahead to the ceremony. Kindly confirm, Ragvi, have you received the email of your prize Amazon coupons?
Yes, sir. I've received.
Okay. And how's your viewers? You are enrolled in which all batches?
The NEET Sankalp.
Okay. And how's that going on?
It's going great.
Okay. So congratulations, Ragvi, once again. Wish you all the best.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. So next we have Harsh Jakat, Volt Rank 1, City Chandigarh. Hello, Harsh. How are you?
So I'm fine.
Okay. So Harsh, how was Volt for you?
Yes, so Volt was quite challenging with respect to time, and the math was pretty good. Comparing it to other exams I have given, it was nice.
Okay. So Harsh, which is your favorite subject right now?
So physics.
Physics. Okay. And your target is again Mumbai Computers?
Yes.
Okay. What are you learning at VOS currently?
So I'm currently attending classes for Chemistry Olympiad.
Okay, Chemistry Olympiad. Great. Let's move on to the ceremony now. Kindly confirm, have you received the mail of coupons?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So congratulations once again. I guess you have got the biggest prize, Harsh. So congratulations for the same.
Yes.
And wish you all the best for all your academic targets. Vedantu and Vedantu Olympiad School in all your targeted examinations. We move on to the end of this ceremony. You all have received your coupons. I thank you all for sparing this much of time. Okay, students, thank you once again, and thanks for waiting for your prizes.